Hi students, I Sandeep. I will teach you EVS in class 2nd. So our today chapter is chapter number 8, Feel Fit. Oneself clean, safe and healthy. Students, I know that mostly students have old book with you. Don't be confused. If you have old book, your chapter number is 9 and chapter name is Keeping Fit. Those students having new book, they have chapter number 8 and chapter name is Oneself Clean, Safe and Healthy. Okay, all the subtopic will be same, only chapter name is changed. So don't be confused. Exercise is also same, activity is also same. So you have to watch this video. If you have old book, you have to read out. I will specially mention the page number also, page number 68 if you have old book. Okay, we'll start today chapter. Aditi fall often ill. Her parents took her to doctor. Let us read what she told the doctor about her daily routine. Okay, if you are often getting ill, okay, daily you are having cough, fever, stomach pain, headache, there are the cause behind your headache, behind your stomach pain, behind your temperature down up. What are the cause? As Aditi said to doctor, like what are the habits in the Aditi, why she often getting ill? First, I like to, what Aditi is telling to doctor, I like to eat junk food. That is why she is getting stomach pain. If we are getting daily junk food, then of course there will be problem in our body, because junk food is taking much time for the digestion. If junk food is taking much time, that means all the internal organ in our body, they have do more work. So that is why this Aditi is often getting ill. I don't want to play games in the park. Okay, if you have taking the food and junk food and other food, you have to do some exercise and you have to do walk for digesting. And I like to play games on the computer. Aditi, she wants to like play games. Playing game is a good habit, but it should be limited time. There should be timetable in your daily routine. According to timetable you have to do, but Aditi, she was not using these habits. She was not using her timetable in her daily routine. Next, I like to watch television for a long time. I sleep late at night. When she was watching long time television, of course she will not get proper rest, and these are the main things that she is getting often ill. When we are not taking proper sleep, if a person is not taking proper sleep, he or she morning unable to do work, because for good body we need good rest and good sleep also. These are the weak points in Aditi, why she getting ill every day. So when again doctor listened her carefully, okay, doctor listened her carefully and he advised for her to do few things daily. What are the few things daily? Here, first, exercising, and second, healthy eat habits, third, rest and sleep, fourth, good posture, fifth, playing games, sixth, keeping clean, seventh, cleanness in the surrounding. These are the things which is told by the doctor to Aditi for her good habits. Now I am going to describe, I will explaining these habits, that how you can fit in your, how you can get removed from this illness. So here we all like to be fit and healthy, as we know that we all need fit and healthy, but because of our habits, because of our bad daily routine, we are getting problem in our body. So when you will follow these things in your daily life, in your daily routine, then of course you will not get any disease, you will not get any problem in your body. First is having exercise. Exercise is a good for our health. Okay, as it is given, one proverb is there, a good mind is in our, a good mind is in good body. If we have good body, then we can do our work, we can do our study in good way. Exercising is means to say you can walk, you can dancing is one kind of exercise. You can dance, and cycling you can do in your home, nearby your home. You have no need to go in for no need to go for playing outside. You can do cycling, and yoga is one of the best exercise. Okay, that is why by the government of the India, 21st Jan is celebrating as a International Yoga Day. We are reading in the newspaper, we are watching in the news TV also, that all over the world it is celebrating, it is one day celebrating as a yoga day, because all peoples all over the world, they are getting disease, different kind of disease, and yoga is doing help, that it is keeping our body fit and fit, because when we are doing yoga, all the internal organs also doing exercise. Okay, with this exercise our body will become strong. So exercise is good for our body and for our daily routine. When you wake up morning, you have to do some exercise. Okay, when with this exercise your mind will be sharp, your mind will be strong, then you will be able to do your study in good manner. Next, we are having healthy eating habits. What are the healthy eating habits? Fresh food. Okay, fresh and healthy food. Healthy food in sense, we have no need to repeat daily taking each thing. Each day we have to repeat our vegetables. Okay, next you have to avoid junk food. Peoples in this day, especially small students, small children, they are taking junk food. When we are taking junk food, then we are getting problem in our body. And one thing is more, that you have to drink plenty of the water. Okay, so that is why from our principal side, it is given in the assembly, you have to take water bottle with you. Nowadays no school is there, you can take plenty of water in your home. Okay, it will also keep our body fit. We should avoid eating junk food. Junk food can make us fat and lazy. The students, those are taking more junk food, they are becoming lazy and they will become fatty also. Okay, next, rest and sleep. Students, sleep is very good for our health. Rest is good for our health. Rest make us feel active and fresh. Sleep give us complete rest. When we are sleeping, we are doing rest. Okay, when the rest keep our body fit, we should sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours. Okay, for our fresh mind. Next, good posture. What is this? That when we are sitting on the desk, when we are sitting on the chair, if we are rotating our leg and our this back, if it is the good posture, then there will be no problem in your body. But if you are bending and keeping up leg over leg, then there will be problem in our body. So it is, if we have like this problem, in your book page number 70, some posture is given to you. Keep your back straight while sitting. Okay, when you are sitting on the chair, you have to keep your back straight, then there will be no effect on your backbone. Then keep your back straight while standing. When you are standing, you have to keep your back. You are not like old person, you have to do like this. If you are doing like this, then there will be problem in your body. Move your hands freely while walking. You have to do hands like this. Okay, then if we are sitting and standing with a good body posture, then there will be no problem in our body. The position of our body when we sit, stand, walk is called posture. A good posture give proper shape to our body. It is also giving the proper shape to our body. Okay, and one note is given to you on page number 70. Having bad can hurt your backbone. When as a student, we know need books daily. When we are coming with in school, we are having books. But if your bag is heavy, too heavy, then there will be problem in your backbone. Always carry books and notebooks according to your timetable. That is why timetable is given to you, that daily you have to follow the daily timetable. As per the timetable, you have to bring your books and notebooks. You have to no need to bring your all books in school, because it is creating problem in our backbone. So if you have problem in your backbone, then you have problem in your body, you cannot grow properly. Next, we are having playing games. Okay, there are two type of games: outdoor games and indoor games. Outdoor games are like games which we are playing in playground. Okay, which we are playing in the playground or in the park. Some of us like playing game in the park or in the playground. These games are called outdoor games. Okay, like cricket, football, hockey, and other game which we are playing in the playground is called outdoor games. Outdoor games make us strong. Okay, outdoor games make us our body strong. We also like to play inside home. Okay, here inside games are games which we are playing in our home. Okay, what are the games which we are playing in our home? Like carom, chess, ludo. And when we playing this game, it will create our good mind. Okay, and it will develop our good mind. Ludo, chess and carom. Okay, these are the chess is the international game, but originally it was developed, it was origin from India only, and nowadays all over the world this chess is becoming popular game. Next, keeping clean. That there are some steps how we can keep our body clean. Clean body make us feel fresh and healthy. Okay, when we have clean, we ourselves feeling fresh and healthy. It helps us to keeping germs away. Okay, when we are having clean body, that means we have no germs. If we eat healthy food that has fruit or vegetables and have good and clean habit, we can avoid a healthy mind, and we can develop a healthy mind and body. We should keep following point in our mind to follow a healthy routine. What are the healthy routine which we can follow? First, wake up early in the morning. Okay, this is the first step for healthy mind, for healthy body. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, take a bath every morning. Some students they are thinking that we are not going school and they are not taking proper rest. Up to 9:30, up to 8:30 they are sleeping. So it is not a good habit. So you have to change your habit. Okay, wash your hands after come out of washroom. You have to wash your hands. Okay, after coming from the washroom, wash your hand before and after having meal. Before and after meal, you should wash your hand, because if we not wash our hand, germs will come inside our stomach and it will create problem. Okay, next, go to bed early. You have to take proper rest. Brush your teeth before go to bed. You have to brush your teeth, because when you are taking meal, the parts of our meal is sometimes it is in our teeth, and when this part remaining in our teeth, it will create problem in our teeth. Will get cavity in our teeth. Again, go to bed early. This why I am repeating these things, because nowadays students they are at home and they are playing game up to 10:30, and some are playing game up to 11 also. These thing is not good for health. Mobile is good, not good. Long time using mobile is not good for our health, and if we will using long time mobile, it will create problem in our eyes also, for our head also, and for our body also. Our body become lazy and fatty. So you have to reduce using mobile. Whenever you necessary, then you can use mobile. Our next topic is cleaning in surrounding. You know, people in this days, when we are taking anything like chips, kurkure and other things, they are throwing the packets near. They are not throwing the packets in the dustbin. They are throwing roadside where they are going. This is not good habit. Okay, if we are throwing, we are cleaning our surrounding, okay, then there will be no problem in our body also, because these germs, these surround bad, this polythenes and other things, when we are burning, then it will creating problem in our body. In last chapter we discuss about cleaning, about air pollution. When we are throwing this garbage here and there roadside, then they are burning the candle, burning the garbage near the roadside, and by the burning air getting pollution. So don't throw your packets and garbage here and there. You can use the dustbin for garbage. Okay, then our environment will be neat and clean. There are some in the parks, there are the two dustbin, one is in blue color and one is in green color, and there will be some lines is given to you, like in blue dustbin, toffees wrapper, plastic cups and other polythene you can put in blue dustbin, and for green, fruit peels and extra thing we can throw in green dustbin. Why this is given? Because wrappers and plastic things we can take it out and we can burn. Okay, but in case of fruit things like banana, if you are taking banana, then sometime we are throwing banana also in the dustbin. Okay, if we are throwing this thing in green, then they can take these things outside from our environment, outside from our village. Okay, so these are the things which you are, if you follow these things, then your body will be healthy and your body will be neat and clean. Okay, so you have to, there is one activity in your book, page number 68. Okay, you can take help from your parents and read out this activity. It is very good activity. Whatever I discuss in the chapter, same thing it will cover. Okay, same thing they have asked in the activity. You can take help from your mother and parent. You can take help from your parents, mother, whatever, your elders also. If your cousin, sister, brother, sister, you can take help from them, and you have to do this activity. Again, if you have any query, you can put in your comment box. Thanks student for watching this video.